I am the welding applications engineer, whether it be small parts, big parts, applications. So if there's any specialty wire or specialty applications that need to be developed, I will be firsthand on that doing and just kind of developing any welding curve or welding parameter for that. I've worked with a lot of different wire manufacturers coming from an OEM of a power supply and working for another OEM. Like some of the competitors out there, they manufacture their own wire and are going to promote their own wire. Something I've ran into is the tensile strength of some wires, because a lot of the times in robotic applications, you are pulling that wire great lengths and tension builds up. And if you're feeding a certain amount of wire, it ends up snapping, causing bird nesting problems in general. I haven't seen it with national standard at all, so that's a good thing about it. You're going to increase your output. No matter what, that robot is going to work longer and harder than you, and you're going to be able to see more coming out of it rather than the time that it takes for a manual welder to take breaks and manual weld anything. Robots, and especially with the cobots and how much they have grown in the past 5 to 10 years, is that a lot of newer companies that are new to automation are getting into it, and they have the misconception that this cobot is going to be able to essentially take a part, throw it on the table, and it'll weld it all up for you. That's not the case. It takes training, it takes knowledge on welding and a little bit of automation specifically for the cobot side. In robots, yes, you're going to have an operator that is knowledgeable enough to handle that system and be able to troubleshoot and take on any task that it's going to throw at it. So, even though it's going to make your life easier, you're still going to need, an operator. Manual welders think robots are going to take their jobs. Well, in fact, it promotes employment and promotes the business, gives the business more opportunity to grow, and it gives the employee an opportunity to learn more and adjust from that. There's manual welders out there that are afraid of it or against it. Then there's the other half that are excited to learn more and increase their knowledge of the welding industry, because whether or not robots are there, and they're going to keep on growing, and the industry's going to keep on growing.